Hello, I'm Ishbel McFarlane and this is my poem about pets. Squeaks my cat. Squeaks my cat likes to relax. He climbs on the sofa and he goes splat. He doesn't want a person spoiling his snooze. He thinks it's a battle that people will lose. Squeaks is like a soldier guarding his castle. He prowls about the battlements and gives me hassle. He swipes at passing grown-ups. He swipes at passing kids. If you're in the living room, you better be hid. But all I do is scratch his ears and stroke his ginger fur. And Squeaks the soldier gives a smile, and then he starts to purr.